Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to invite your friends on Substack. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on substack.com and then get on the bottom left corner. Here select your profile picture. Now select invite friends. Now here there are multiple options through which you can invite your friends on Substack. You can invite them through using your Twitter account, using your Facebook account, using your LinkedIn account, or you can even copy the link and send them directly through any chat social media like WhatsApp, Telegram, and you can even send them the link through email. So you can choose whichever option that you most likely to do with, and then you just need to select on send button, and that's how you guys can successfully invite your friends on Substack. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.